The financial world will be keeping a very close eye on the markets this morning. U.S. crude oil prices, they jumped more than 4% after the news of the Iranian missile strike. Dow futures, they fell more than 400 points, but they have stabilized a little bit.
The index for the Tokyo Stock Exchange was open at the time of this strike. It lost more than 470 points. That is about a 2% drop.
And the missile launch caused global oil prices to spike.
KCTV5 Savannah Rudisell is looking into how exactly that could impact us right here in the metro this morning. Savannah, just how high did that price jump?
Yeah, Joe, as Gina was just saying, we jumped a 4% increase right after those missile attacks were launched. That's a big jump. Now, just in a few hours, that kind of backed down. So now we're sitting at about a 1.2% increase after that initial panic subsided. So while that oil price is really fluctuating, gas prices in the U.S. are going to stay a little bit more stable. We want to show you a graph so we can kind of take a look at how this has changed just within the past month. That top red line there, that's showing you crude oil prices, and they spiked twice, once on January 2nd and again on January 7th. That's after the initial U.S. attack against Soleimani and again after Iran's retaliation. But gas prices are not fluctuating nearly as much. That blue line right there is showing you the average gas price in the U.S. and that growth, it's still following that trend, but it's going a little bit more stable. So we are monitoring implications from the conflict all throughout the morning, and coming up at 6:30, we're going to tell you a little bit more about how oil companies are responding and how OPEC says that they're going to be stepping in soon. Reporting live in Roland Park, Savannah Rudisell, KCTV5 News.
And Savannah, how are expert predictions holding up this morning in terms of just how expensive it could get through the year?
Gas analysts right now are not changing their predictions too much. Earlier this month, they said that we wouldn't hit $3 a gallon all throughout 2020, and they're sticking by that as of right now.
Okay, sounds good, Savannah. Thank you for looking into all of that. This story is developing by the hour. We'll have another update in 10 minutes for you. Make sure you're up to date with our free KCTV5 News app as well. There, we're pushing new details as soon as they happen.